I'm here with KET at Beaver Creek Elementary, working with 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders as a writing workshop. And we were looking for a chance to underscore and give them the experience of seeing writing as a friend when there are things that are difficult. Lewis Hyde, in his book called The Gift, says, works of art are a bond by which the many are knit into one. It's not just you who have gone through this, or it's not just you who have lost somebody, it's not just you who have lost your home. And to be able to honor that and hopefully give them ways to express and maybe share that, because they share. That's of the human essence. And I think kids, we want to give them the skills that they need to go in whatever way they choose. Your words belong on the page. Your words should be heard. I think that's vital.